Guys, mussel breakfast making in the kitchen. You don't want to miss it out. So if you want to know how we put all of these together, you need to keep on watching so that you don't miss out what we've been doing in the kitchen. In the meantime, let's get started. Hello, assalamu alaikum. I am Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Alu's Kitchen. How are you all? I hope you're having a great time. I'm fine too. Today in Fatim Alu's Kitchen, guys, we've got you mussels here. They're cooked mussels. We're going to be using it to make a simple and quick, easy breakfast. Let me cut the mussel pack, and it's frozen, so I'm gonna pop it in there. Bring it closer. Right, so that's how it looks, but I'm going to be cleaning it a little bit because mussels normally they have this hair here. So I'm going to be taking every hair of these mussels and clean it first. And I'm going to be cooking it together with these onions. I'm gonna put some green chilies in, black pepper, salt, and 2 Maggi cubes, okay? But if you don't want to put any green chilies in, if you're not a spicy fan, you can skip that option. So guys, that's our mussels all nice and clean here. We've went on and take every hair out. Oil is nicely hot. We're going to go on and fry our mussels in. We're gonna give all of these a stir. We didn't add too much oil as mussels are very liquidy, so I said to add a little tiny oil first and then fry them and see. Okay, so we will be leaving it to fry until it is all nicely fried. Alright. So guys, while our mussels are frying over there in the pan, we're going to use exactly the same bowl and do our onions for the mussel sauce. We're going to be slicing it. So that goes in. And then the chilies. Okay, so we're going to set these ones aside here. Right. Also, we've got some minced garlic here that we're going to add. So we set all of these on there, and then we move next to the mussels and check how they're cooking. So guys, our mussels have fried. How you know that mussels are fried? When they get to this state, they start popping up. So that's when you know that they're all nicely fried. So we're going to come and take them out. So the mussels are out now, guys. We're going to add some oil in. Oil nicely hot. We're going to go on and add our onions in. Then we give it a stir. At the same time, we add the garlic in. Then we stir. Right, so we're going to be frying this for 2 to 3 minutes, okay? After 3 minutes, I'm going to add the chilies in now, and then I'll add some black pepper, some salt, and then I'll mix all of these together again. I'm gonna add that Dijon mustard in. The Maggi cubes are going in as well. And we stir. This is a very nice simple breakfast, guys. Just give it a try. You will like it. It is smelling also good already. Right, we leave this one also to fry for a minute or two. So now we're going to add that much water. Nice one. Give it a stir. And then we put our mussels back in. And then mix all of it together. Right. Let me do the salt tasting. Nice one. Alright, so another 3 to 5 minutes. That should be it, okay? So guys, our mussel sauce is ready. You are all invited. So guys, this is the end result of our mussel breakfast making, and it's looking so yummy. It was so easy, very nice. I enjoyed making it, and I hope you enjoyed watching it while I was making it. I went on and add some salad on the side of it. Also add some bread, because mussel breakfast with bread is so good together. If you like what you see in the kitchen today, guys, please put your thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell right over here, so that you don't miss out on content when we post a new video. You'll be the first to be notified. You're all invited for a mussel breakfast. In the meantime, we love you, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you all so much. Goodbye.